You can compare two viewpoints to determine node differences between the viewpoints. You can find nodes that exist in one viewpoint but do not exist in the other viewpoint. You can compare relationships to find nodes that exist in both viewpoints but have different parents. You can compare property values to find nodes that exist in both viewpoints but have differences in one or more property values. You can run multiple types of comparisons at the same time. For example, you can simultaneously run a comparison for missing nodes, parent relationships, and property values. The ability to compare data from different viewpoints is an integral part of being able to align business perspectives and synchronize data across applications. Comparing viewpoints helps you align common dimensions of different applications, manage alternate viewpoints in the same dimension, and map dimensions across source and target applications. Begin by opening a view with the viewpoints you want to compare. This cross-application view allows you to compare the entity dimension across applications and to share data between the node sets of the applications. To run a comparison, open the Compare tab. Select the viewpoints you want to compare. Select a direction for the compare. In this example, I'll select left to right. This will determine which nodes are in the left viewpoint, but not in the right viewpoint. Select whether to compare all nodes or just bottom nodes. I'll select bottom nodes. Select Find Missing Nodes, and run the comparison for the selected viewpoints. The system flags and displays the nodes that are missing from the viewpoint on the right. In this example, the results show that there are nodes in the General Ledger viewpoint that are not in the Financial Consolidation viewpoint. You can optionally download compare results to Excel to review and correct them offline. Click a node to show where it exists in the viewpoint. To resolve the difference, create a request, and then drag the node from the General Ledger viewpoint to the desired location in the Financial Consolidation viewpoint. You can drag and drop a node into a hierarchy only. You cannot drag and drop a node into a list. Alternatively, instead of making manual changes, you can generate request items directly from the comparison results by clicking Create Request Items from Compare. You can run multiple types of comparisons simultaneously. To compare both relationships and property values, select Viewpoints and change the comparison criteria. Click Compare to run the new comparison. The system flags and displays all of the nodes that exist in the left viewpoint but have different parent relationships or different property values in the right viewpoint. Each shared node with a different parent is returned as a separate result. In this example, there are bottom nodes with different parent relationships. Select the node to locate it in both viewpoints. The Align option is turned on when you click Run or Refresh to perform the Compare Relationships or Compare Property Values operation. So when you select the node in the Compare Results, the node will also be located in the other viewpoint, thus allowing you to visualize the differences side by side. You can use the Toolbar button to turn Align off and navigate viewpoints independently. The Properties panel shows the different values for the node parent. The Compare Results also show nodes with different property values. The result indicates the number of property differences a particular node has. In this example, each node has only one difference. Select the node to locate it in both viewpoints. The Properties panel shows the different property values. In this example, we are okay with the property value differences, but we want to fix the relationship difference for the Germany node by moving it to a new parent in the viewpoint. The request is still open. Move the node to the desired parent and submit the request to commit the changes. The Canada node is added to the Financial Consolidation viewpoint, and the Germany node is moved to a new parent. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.